Hi guys, we'll be showing how this thing works. It's a humidifier. It has two functions and it says it is warm and cold. We bought it just today. It has very different type of functions. So this is the humidifier. We bought it and it has a back to put essential oil in this. You can plug in and you can see there's one in there, and you just put it back. They also say that you can put drops in that, 5 to 7 drops, and it can come in. I think we can do reuse out of it. Now I'll show you how this works. Can you hold this? It also comes with the tablet. This is a tablet. They say to put in the water for 10 minutes and then put it in the humidifier. You have to put in the clockwise direction because this tablet helps for people who have hard water. It removes the white stains and deposits which is in the tank, and it keeps neat and clean. These are the instructions given in this for this, how to use the tablet, and they also say not to throw it. We have also the essential oil and extra given for us. I think instead of throwing this out, we can keep it. If it's dry, we can dry it and put oil in that and we can reuse it. And this is the instruction guide. We got 2 tablets. One is here, and this humidifier gives warm as well as cold waters. It has 2 parts. Sayan, can you hold it please? It has 2 parts. This one part and the other one is here. So you can see I have 2 different boxes and I'm going to fill with water, and my son will be holding this. Behave
You say silent.
And just ever behave like that. Meantime, I'll fill water and show you how it works.
Dun, 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 it's me, Dino, today. Dun, 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 look at me. Dun, dun. What's that?
Now we are going to will you put
it the other way.
Yay! You're the cameraman.
Now we'll be putting one at a time.
You don't do it. Dun 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 dun.
Look at that cheetah. Yeah.
Woohee gang.
Are you showing them?
Oblivious guy.
Oblivious guy. Hey guys, it's me, Cat. Bye.
Ooh.
I'm coming for a rescue. Thumbs up and subscribe, and by the way, we only have one.
Oblivious.
You're the only subscriber, so come on.
Hey, dude, can you do it?
Do your bunny fingers.
Dun, 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 dun.
I got your nose, guys.
Okay.
Guys, I got your nose.
Bum, 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 ba-dum.
After filling the humidifier, they said to put the tablet in the clockwise direction. But I don't see anything to hold this tablet, or the best thing is to drop the tablet in the humidifier and start it. And if any white deposit comes here, we can just hope so it works the way it says.
I don't care.
My fingers are behaving very bad, I'm sorry.
I'm not bad.
Why is Chota here? Is being oblivious.
Who cares?
Now we are going to start the humidifier and see how it works. Right now it isn't cool. I don't know. Give a second. And this is warm. It has a timer, how many hours you want to run this humidifier. It also has a cool and warm. It says plus and minus still. Give me a second, I also don't know. If I put for 8 or 12 hours, it's going to run for 12 hours and then automatically switch off.
Not doing anything. I'm just doing the internet now.
If you like this video, let us know. Sorry for inconvenience, because I have a two naughty children who feel everything is funny here.
I didn't do it.
Stop.
You stop. You stop it. Dun, dun. Ow. Sorry. I said sorry.
If you like this video, let us know. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you want some more, or if you have some question regarding this humidifier. It comes with 2-year warranty.